You know the vibes.
It's hard to see.
Why don't you go to the bathroom? Chill, Joshua. Stop making noise. Chill, Joshua.
Who cares? Don't care us.
Joshua, why don't you just go to the bathroom?
Huh?
Okay, Daniel, fucking photographer.
You ready now?
You know the vibes.
I'm already ready.
He's been down, I think. Hey.
You fucking moved.
Oh, it's on manual, I think. You heard? It's not on autofocus.
No, it is. I did it already.
Oh.
No, because you moved last time, that's why.
You gotta focus it, I guess. Don't just take a picture. Focus it. I need a tripod, I swear. I have a tripod. It's home.
Wait, hold on. We do it again. This is bullshit.
Put away the pen and then blow it. Like fast, put away the... Did I get that? I'm not sure.
Oh, no, that's fine. I got it. Now let's move. Got it.
You got it? Alright, let's go. Let's go on the other one. Upstairs?
You recording the whole thing?
Yeah, this is my phone. No, not Instagram.
Oh. The light switch don't work. I tried it already.
Oh shit, no way.
It don't work.
Alright, let me leave my board here.
Just leave it on engine.
Oh shit. I don't want it to fall. It didn't make noise.
We're gonna do shit like this. I'm gonna buy a camera myself.
Daddy, did you almost fall?
Huh?
Did you almost fall?
Oh, I'm so bad about it.
Oh, the shit's here. Now, I would sit down on this shit, but... it's fucking dirty.
When you come back, we need to bring one to bring a flashlight.
I know. That feels fucking weak. You heard? No, the floor. The floor feels weak. The floor feels weak. Like, if you walk on it, it's like...
Where, here?
Yeah, over there for some reason.
Oh, yeah, it is. It is a whole lot out of me.
I wouldn't go there.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I got something on my foot.
Yo, come here. Yo, hold this.
Oh shit.
No, just like half my body.
My name Lil Joshua. Lil Goofy. Bitch, I'm a oofy. Bitch, my Goofy's pot.
Why are you looking at me for?
That was a good picture though.
Oh.
My name is Daniel. I am a photographer at night. My name is Joshua. When nigga always hit me up, I'm like, nah, man. You know why? Cause I like to fuck, man.
You're fucking gay.
But my name is Lil Joshua. Yo, chill. You're gonna make a pop. Oh.
Dude, man, why would a fire start, Joshua? Man, how you know that no fucking smoke alarms here?
Imagine the alarms go off.
It's like Joshua's fault.
Shit.
It's like Joshua's fault.
It's probably gonna take us like a minute to get out. Probably. The gate too.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably like a minute or so.
Yo, we should have like a pen or some shit, like a marker or some shit.
Let me see the camera. Oh shit, hold it. Yeah. You know the vibes. I hope I don't smoke the paper. I smoked the paper and I started coughing that one time. You heard?
Yep.
Remember that one time when he wakes up?
You're literally being like a vlog, like if in a horror movie, like we're about to die.
Okay. Yeah, it does actually, right? You shouldn't have brought water, fuck. Alright, you want me to hold the camera?
Yeah,
Oh, your flashlight's on.
Yeah, I know. Hold on, just
Oh.
Yeah, I know, because if you just want me to take a picture of him, it's hard. hard to see if it's only bright.
You're gonna want to turn it off your flashlight because it's gonna kill your battery if you keep it on the whole time.
And I was just doing it just because I get a picture. I can.
Hold on, let me just put pause.
See, no, I can't even see possible.
You good, man? I'm holding it like this because I got the door.
It's tall and dark in here.
Yeah, do you mind? People these days, right? I got the paper in my mouth, fuck. Here you go. Oh. Hi.
Abandoned.
Oh, this is a nice picture, actually. Look, yo, Joshua, you need to like go over there and.
Is that how you spell abandoned?
Yeah.
That's how you spell abandoned, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, just go.
No, don't say it. Don't say the place.
Huh?
Or else everybody's gonna start coming here.
Fuck Jackie. Nah, I fucking love Jackie. I'll clap her. Joshua, yo, like you see this spot? Like it's a pretty nice spot. Look, to take a flick.
Yeah, Joshua, go downstairs. I'll take a picture of you.
Yeah, look.
You think we can move the window? We should move this.
No, chill. It's gonna. I think it's jammed no matter what. Look at that.
Oh shit, this isn't on. No, don't touch that, because you're gonna cut yourself. Yeah, chill.
Imagine Joshua talks to somebody, where Joshua finds somebody, and he attacks Joshua. Like, oh shit, what do we do? What do we do?
Could attack them.
Did we leave Joshua?
No,
Nah, that's fucked up. I'll fucking do something. I'll be scared as fuck, but I would try to save this nigga.
Yeah, facts. You want to take a picture of you like that?
Yeah, just take a picture of him like that. Yeah, Timothy, come on. I'm at the zoo, you know.
It's off.
Alright.
The thing can go through.
Is it even on?
Yeah, like this. It comes out a little blurry, I don't know why.
Oh, it's like that. It's because there's a camera, you know. It doesn't have high, resolution over here, but in the picture there is. Yes, Joshua, work it.
You really did again, I missed that part, the smoke.
I got it on film though. It's alright. Daily vlog number 2. Not playing. This is one I think. I had the first one, but I don't know what happened to the video. You know. I found a rare creature in its natural habitat. Alright, let's go to the other one. Oh god, I got cement on my shoes. Yeah, I want to take it out. That doesn't feel good.
You have cement on your shoes?
Yeah.
I don't know if I do.
Because I walked over there by where Joshua was, and it was wet. Moist, I mean.
I do, but not a lot. Oh, fuck, I hate this shit.
Damn, that's a lot.
We need to find another place to go as well. Like another abandoned place besides this one.
There's a theater. There's a movie theater at Flushing.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to get in. And I don't even know where the fuck it is. Record. Let's go, man. Yo, watch out with that wire.
Huh?
The wire right here. You ain't trying to get electrolyzed. I said electrolyzed. Nah, hold on to it. Watch out with that wire too. Yo, Joshua, fuck. Oh shit. Yo, we're about to build a car, Daniel. I thought it was an owl.
Is that owl?
No, it's a broken pigeon.
Yeah, there's that. No, that's a pigeon.
A pigeon. Oh shit, it's fucking dirt.
There's cars there.
Oh yeah, there is car. There's cars in there. Let's get the fuck out of here. Vlogs.
Yeah, where'd you come from? Bring your leg.
Yeah.
But in case something happens, we can fucking don't have to rush. Are you gonna? Oh,
It's coming.
hold on, my hand's in the way.
Yeah, I can see that.
I don't even. Hold on. There you go.
You know, we just have to have memories and shit. Oh shit, I think it turned off. Keep it. Oh yeah, never mind. It's just so funny. What the fuck is that? Nah, horizontal. Yeah.
Let's go over there.
Doesn't look a person, it's a pigeon. That's fuck pigeons.
It's the pigeons going back and forth. Yeah, there's pigeons over there. Let's go to there. Who cares? Yo, let's go me and you then, and he stays here. Yo, we're gonna check to see if it's clear. We'll come back, all right? Wait, no, I got it. Yeah, I got it.